So what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm gonna talk a little bit about everything I did so far, from the suspension of the truck, and also I went to go get a dyno, but things didn't go right. I had a misfire in cylinder 7, so I had to come back and bring the truck and fix it, and I found there was a bad injector, even though they were all brand new, but it was still bad. So the tuner told me to take it back another day. So that was the reason I didn't take a video, because the truck was not running good. So now I got it fixed, and I could take it back again and get a new dyno results. But so far I fixed the suspension and everything. Swapped out everything, replaced everything brand new, the control arms. I'm gonna remove the tire right now so I could be able to see it. But like I seen in the other video, I was pretty much done besides the tune. Everything still looks the same, just with new suspension. But yeah, let's turn it on so y'all can hear it and let me know what y'all think about. I still have some minor issues here. A couple years ago they tried to steal my truck, and they broke the clips in the cover and the switch. I had to replace it, and they also messed up this turn signal switch, so now I have to replace this. I'm currently waiting for this so I could be able to put the cover back on, because right now it looks kind of ugly. But yeah, I got this. Just gotta fix this, and I did end up wiring up finally my power folding mirrors. I just had to get the switch. It's pretty hard to find it. I picked mine up from the junkyard, and I just did the wiring, and they work pretty good. I'll show you guys right now. But let me turn it on so I could hear it. So this is how the switch works for the power folding. All you gotta do is just press the switch, and they fold back. And then whenever you want to unfold them, just press the switch again, and done deal. It's pretty nice. Okay, now let's turn it on so I can be able to hear it. So far, no check engine light. All my gauges work. Hopefully I can hear me because it's pretty loud. Oil pressure is good. All my gauges work, like I said. That sounds pretty badass. Like I said, it sounds pretty good, pretty mean. It pulls pretty good also. I just haven't been able to get a good tune dyno on it because, like I said, I had a bad injector. But right now, we're about to take off this wheel so I can see how my suspension looks. Let me bring my jack and my impact, and I'll show you. Let me here to be able to show you how it looks. So I get a lot of asked same question, that if I rub in the front with the 22s, it's rubbed pretty bad, especially in the bumps. It gets really bad. So I can see right here my tires really messed up. I started having this issue with my fender, and every time I fold it back, push it back, fold it back, I still have the same issue. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Maybe raise it up an inch, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, let me take off this. For me myself, I can say if you daily the truck, just go with a 4-inch. But if you're gonna just drive it every weekend or drive it on the weekend, I'll say go with a 5-inch because the struggle is bad, especially with some bad roads out here. So this is how my suspension looks so far right now. Pretty dirty. It was clean, but I've been driving it around, so yeah. So let's start off with the brakes. Obviously, I got the Street Performance stock caliper. I just did some paint, red paint on it, make it look performance, but it's actually the stock one. Picked those up from O'Reilly's, and I went with the DJM upper control arms, which you can see they're like in an angle up here, and you could adjust them here. And I'm currently sitting on a 5-inch drop in the front, which is 3 inches with the springs. That's a 3-inch drop right here, and I have a 2-inch spindle, which that makes it a 5-inch. Also, I just put the stock lower control arms, picked those up from Advance, I think. Yeah, Advance or O'Reilly's. The sway bar bushes are brand new. Over there we got some bushings also, put those brand new. The rack and pinion, I had a clunk noise with the old one, so I replaced the whole thing. It's brand new now. The tie rods also, everything is sitting firm, and so far that's it. That's how it looks. I know it looks kind of dirty. That was because I've been driving it, but this is how my suspension looks. Also, I get asked a lot about my tires and my wheels, and this is a 22, and I'm sitting with a 265 35, and no, they're not replicas, they're actually Stratos. This is a brand from, well, I ordered them online, but they actually come from Cali, so I couldn't find them here in Texas, so I had to get them from Cali. Had to order them online, but yeah, this is how it looks. Oh, I forgot to mention about the shocks. The shocks, I just put those drop shocks, the street performance ones. Those work pretty good. I haven't had an issue. But besides that, that's it. I'm missing the splash shield here, but every time I put it on, I mess it up. But like I said, I hit the bumps and it gets really bad. So I know it looks kind of bad. I wish I just had the plastic and then make it look better, but it don't work like that, especially this low. Yeah, let me put this wheel back on. So here we have it. Let's put everything back together. I might have this wheels for sale, not 100% yet. So I'm trying to get a drag pack for this truck, since I'm gonna start taking it to the track and all that. But I'll see. I'll let y'all know in case y'all want to buy this set of wheels. Pretty good. Nothing wrong with them. Like I said, they're not replicas. That's actually a good brand. Makes a lot of wheels, different type of wheels. This brand. But yeah, I want to go with something different with 17s and 15s on the back. Ahí está. That's how it sits. A little bit lifted. I've been burning some rubber lately, I ain't gonna lie. My tires are going bad. You can see I've been spinning those 22s. Damn. It actually looks pretty bad. Over here, I can't really see, but on the back I just have a C-notch, flip kit, drop shackle. That's it. That's how it looks. And then once we drop it, sitting back. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about how it sounds. I was thinking about putting a cover, but I don't know what cover to get, or if I should get a different intake up there. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about this new setup. But yeah, this is gonna be it for the video. Let's see if I can post more often. I've been pretty busy. I could say work has been really bad. I work a lot. Also, I forgot to mention, a lot of people ask me about how to wire these mirrors for the power folding turn signal. So I could open the door panel and have this switch off so y'all can see how I did it. It's kind of confusing, but it just takes a little bit of patience, because you got to run a set of 2 wires from here to your switch, a set of 2 wires from that side, or from that mirror all the way in the back and to here, and you need power and ground, and done deal. Also, you could put a power to this light inside the switch, but that's in case if you need it. If you want it, actually, that's an option. You can just get power from here, so whenever you have your switch on, this will light up. That just depends on you. But yeah, I still gotta work in this box. This is made for an iPad. Has a sub in the bag of 12. This box pretty much whenever like I say, I'm gonna go race, I'm going for a track, I'll just take it off for weight. It's just too heavy. Besides that, and that's pretty much it. Let me know what y'all think. This is gonna be it for the video. I'm gonna show you a little bit of the work I did on my suspension, and that's it.